Good morning students. I am Vinod Kumar Pushti. I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Today we are going to learn how to solve G main and G advanced questions that you have given me. Let I be an identity matrix of order 2 into 2 and P is equal to 2 minus 1, 5 minus 3. Then the value of n belongs to capital N for which p to the power n equal to 5i minus 8p is equal to dash. Now this P matrix is equal to 2, 5 minus 1 minus 3. We know that P of Px minus lambda I is equal to 0. So we can find out to eigenvalue for this matrix. P equal to 2 minus lambda 5 minus 1 minus 3 minus lambda. Then this becomes 2 minus equal to 2 minus lambda into minus 3 minus lambda plus 5, that is equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 2 lambda plus 3 lambda plus lambda square plus 5. So this becomes lambda square plus lambda minus 1 and lambda square plus lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. In place of lambda square we can substitute p. This will be becomes p square plus p minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now we can find p square equal to 1 minus p. Here p square equal to 1 minus p. Now p to the power 4. What is the value of p to the power 4? 1 minus p whole square. That is equal to 1 plus p square minus 2p. Similar, then p to the power into p square. So what is the value of this now? Now p square is equal to here. In place of p square we can substitute 1 minus p. Then this becomes 1 plus 1 minus p minus 2p equal to 2 minus 3p. 2 minus 3p. 2 minus 3p. Then p4 multiply p2. This will be equal to 2 minus 3p into p square value is 1 minus p. After multiplication we can get 2 minus 2p minus 3p plus 3p square. Then this will be equal to 2 minus 5p plus 3p square. In place of a p square we can substitute 1 minus p. 1 minus p we can get now 2 minus 5p plus 3 minus 3p. That is equal to 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus 3 5 minus 5 3 8p So this equal to p to the power n equal to 5I minus 8p. So n is equal to, what is the value of n now? 4 plus 2 6. So n is equal to here p to the power 6 equal to 5I minus 8p. So n is equal to 6. Again I repeat the question. If I be an identity matrix of order 2 into 2 and p is equal to 2 minus 1 5 minus 3, then the value of n belongs to capital N, for which p to the power n equal to 5I minus 8p is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. Thank you watching the video.